Hare maze puzzle. Bunny loves to eat carrots. He lives in a burrow. Carrots grow underground. He digs underground to reach the carrot. Here, the bunny and the carrot are far away. Make a path to the bunny near the carrot. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.